Hi guys, welcome to Jan's Playtime. Today we're going to be making over my Barbie house. The things I'll be using is contact paper, scissors, an X-Acto knife, make sure adult to help you, and something to smooth it with. So let's get started. First we're going to remove all the old stickers. We're going to cut my contact paper to fit all my pieces. Now we're cutting the shapes to decorate my Barbie house. Make sure to ask an adult to help you put on your contact paper because it's very tricky. My mom is trimming all the edges. We had to add 2 layers because you can see through the contact paper. Now my mom's gonna finish trimming all the edges. For these 2 pieces, we're going to repurpose the bags because they're already white. All done. Now, let's put it back together and decorate. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!